Yes, sir. What's going on? Let's get it, y'all. Let's get activated today, man. What's going on, everybody? What's going on, YouTube? What's up, family? We live right now. What's happening, y'all? Talk to me, man. How y'all doing today in the chat, man? Y'all let me know below, guys, where y'all from. Y'all know the whole drill. Where y'all from, where we located. Hey, today gonna be a crazy day. We got a lot of things set up right here. Look, we live right here. Let me show y'all. Look, we live here on YouTube. We live here on Instagram Live. And look, today gonna be a big day because one, the stock market is crashing and there's a big way you can actually take a big advantage over the market right now. Today, I'm giving away some Cash App bread. Now, I'm gonna give away a little bit of some bread. You know, I had a little giveaway lineup for y'all. You know, I'm gonna show y'all the winners and let me show what we have so far cooking for the little spin the wheel. You know what I'm saying? We have something cooking for y'all today. But just know, guys, this class today, I'm gonna give you guys basically a lot of great game on essentially how to start trading. I'm gonna do the giveaway here at the end, but I'm gonna show you guys basically the top 3 stock setups that I'm watching for the week. And if you're here on Instagram Live, just go ahead and comment the word 2025 to hop into our program and get started today. Without further ado, guys, let's get into the stock watches today and let's start cooking. Let's get it. Boom, boom, boom. Let's go. So as you guys know, first and foremost, before you could trade any market, let me actually show y'all what we done in the week, right? Because let's start from there, right? It's been a pretty crazy, wild stream of events. If y'all been paying attention, I had one of my biggest trading days of the year where I made about $20,000 in one singular day on the 12th of February, right? This trade was probably one of my biggest trades of the year. And I'm gonna start from here by saying, guys, like this is gonna be the results whenever you take action and you're consistent, right? We've been going crazy in the chat. We're live here on multiple platforms. And one thing I will say is it's not only me making money, right? Because I can go into my gains tab and quickly see that this whole entire week, our students have been banking like crazy. I'm talking about Victoria made 611 right here in one day. Let's see, let's keep going. Avery, his first, look at this, his first day in the chat, he made 680 bucks in one day trading, all right? Let's keep going. Josh, he made 170 off Tesla, all right? Few minutes made another 248. So people were making hundreds to thousands of dollars every single day into the chat, right? So now, the best part about this whole entire session is I'm seeing students that started their account with $1,000 and they grew their account up to $6,100 in about 2 months while trading within the program, right? So this is going to show that what we do truly works. And even though I made, I took a little Tesla trade on Friday, made about 2,000. I'll go ahead and actually cover this trade live for you guys. And at the end of this class, we'll go choose all the giveaway winners. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. The names are looking pretty good so far. I see we got a lot of people right here. Like everybody who's in the win for this Cash App giveaway, we've been giving away 3 people already winning 50 bucks each just for entering into the giveaway, right? So let's go ahead and get into what we did this week and what to actually look forward to. All right, so first and foremost, what is the first stock that I'm watching this week, right? So this past week, guys, we just literally stood on Elon's neck. I feel bad for Elon and his company because, man, we've been taking their ass to the downside all week. Tesla puts have been printing and printing and printing all week. So we caught a nice setup on Tesla. And guys, can someone tell me in the chat why I would be mad, guys? Like, why would I be mad? Because if y'all were on the call on Friday, I could have made over $75,000 in one day. Let's say it again, over $75,000 in one play, right? So on Tesla on Friday, we caught this nice put setup. It was very, very simple. Let me break it down for y'all right quick for Tesla. All right, so Tesla, so as you guys know, every single day you should always mark up your pre-market lows and your pre-market highs every single day, right? So Tesla, as you can see right here, this yellow line right here that's dotted, this right here is my pre-market low on Tesla. So as you can see, we had a lot of wicks basically being built right here on Tesla at the very top of the space, and we're seeing a lot of rejection. So going to the 15-minute chart, I seen that we had a nice bearish setup here on Tesla that could have created a lot of more sellers to take us over to the downside. So as you can see, Tesla actually had a strong rejection right here off pre-market lows, and we bought puts exactly right there, right? But one thing that y'all know about me is that I'm not gonna talk to y'all in theory or show y'all some fake guru screenshots. No, this right here is proof of my portfolio and exactly the trade that I took here on Tesla. All right, as you can see, I bought about 38 contracts. It cost me about 75 bucks each. I sold them for 107 bucks each, bringing me a total profit of about 2.1K there on Tesla, right? And this trade, even though I made 2,000 bucks, 2,000 in probably about 20 minutes, I could have made about 70,000, right? So I'm not saying woulda, coulda, shoulda, woulda, all that nonsense, but I want to tell y'all the power of trading is crazy. Because y'all, I'm 23 years old, and I had the ability to make over $70,000 in one single day, right? Now, this is my biggest trading month of my career. I made right now, currently today, is my biggest trade month of my career. So I made $38,592 so far this month, which is pretty crazy. And if you're here on Instagram Live, I'm looking at my YouTube Live camera, we live everywhere. But $38,000, even though it's not the craziest amount of money, I want to say, guys, trading can literally change your life if you allow it. And someone was saying, Ryan, you made 20K that one day. How do I know that's not fake? How do I know that's not just paper trading? You're acting like you made $20,000, 20K, bro. Come on, you cap. You want to see how? I'm going to show y'all some proof. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it, because someone like me, I don't like to do too much talking, right? So this right here is the broker statements of me making the $18,000 in one day off of a SPY trade. Now, I took these puts here for earnings for CPI on SPY. So I put in about 5.7 thousand into this trade, and I bought the contracts for about $40 each, right? 40 bucks each, and I sold 221 contracts, as you can see right there, for a total price of $110 each, bringing me a return on investment of over 300+% on this put trade, and I was able to turn 5.7K into $24,000. bringing me at a total net profit, grand total, of about 18.3K. So I'm gonna round it off and say, shit, we made 20K. You know, if you mad, say, Ryan, you ain't made no fucking 20K today. You made 18K. Hey, listen, hey, if you hating, hey, it is what it is. Look, 18K, 20K, if you went to math, that shit rounds up, right? 20K day, biggest trading day of my career. And now I'll help you guys even make 5 to 10K a month, right? Because that's like 5 to 10K a month can help you guys pay off your bills and your lifestyle, right? Help you pay off your rent, car notes, shit like that, right? So this is the power of trading, guys. Like, you know, and if y'all want to get started, guys, just if you're on Instagram, comment the word 2025 and we'll get in motion. All right, but without further ado, guys, let's just get into what we're looking at for the week, and then let's make it very, very quick, and let's go and get into the giveaway, right? So, all right, first things first, guys, which companies are reporting earnings this week? We have a really crazy week, guys. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. If y'all trade, earnings is a very, very hefty week, right? What is earnings? Companies have to actually report what their numbers are looking like for the quarter, right? So the top companies I'm watching for earnings, guys, you want to write this down. This is free game. The last time I caught an earnings play, guys, it went 400%, right? Everything is facts and, you know, documented. But I'm looking at Zoom for earnings on Monday. Also HIMS. Write this down, guys. Free game. I'm putting the actual predictions into the chat, obviously. I'm also looking at NVIDIA. Guys, NVIDIA will be a big-time earning company this week. If you like making money, if you like to enjoy freedom, you have to know the power of earnings. Earnings can make you a lot of money quickly if you know how to predict which companies make massive moves. So I'm looking at NVIDIA, and Snowflake, guys, is my play of the week. If you're here on Instagram Live or if you're here on YouTube Live, someone comment the word Snowflake in the into the section. Someone comment the word Snowflake right now into the chat box, because I'm giving y'all free game right now. Someone can go listen to this today and make a bag. Someone comment the word Snowflake, because this is the top play I'm looking at this week for earnings, and I'm gonna tell y'all why later, right? Because if y'all didn't know, we got a giveaway to do today, you know, and I want to choose some cash out winners, you know what I'm saying? So I want to go through the money's talk first, right? All right, so boom. What news are we looking at for the week, right? Because y'all know news is the biggest impact in the stock market, right? So guys, first and foremost, looking into the week right now, boom, boom, boom. We do have GDP being reported here on Thursday. So Thursday will be a day where the stock market will move pretty crazily, all right? Thursday is a big day. We have CPI on Tuesday, but it's not for the USD market. So as you guys can actually see, we have core PCE news here on Friday. If y'all want to know what website this is called forexfactory.com. Free game. Forexfactory.com. Take a screenshot. This site right here will show you all the news that's happening for the week. And if you know, as a trader, if you don't know what's happening in the news, you can literally get your ass burnt, like the back of an exhaust system of a Lamborghini. If you ain't looking at the news, you can get cookbooked, like Ratatouille, you feel me? So you have to be on top of the news, right? Let's keep it 100. All right, so let's get into what are the top stock moves I'm looking at for the week. And real quick, guys, if you're here on the YouTube Live, go ahead and smash the like button, blow this shit up. Let's go ahead and drop some free game today, all right? So guys, boom. First and foremost, guys, let's go ahead and take a look here at QQQ on a high time frame. So as you guys know, guys, we have seen I'm talking about a crazy, insane drop in the market this past Friday. Guys, every single stock, like, do y'all want to see something crazy, y'all? Type into your search bar, finviz.com. Finviz.com. This is the website where you can actually see the heat map of the stock market world. Now look at this for 1 second. What do y'all notice about the stock market on Friday? Someone tell me into the chat section. I don't think that I gotta say much about it, guys. The stock market seen insane lows on Friday. I'm talking about lows that we have never seen the whole entire year, right? And if y'all know, there is a way to make money as stocks drop to the downside. Someone tell me in the comment section, how can I make money as a trader when stocks crash and go to the downside? Somebody tell me. Because the last time that SPY dropped, what did I do? I bought something very, very specific. I bought SPY puts. Now puts make money as companies drop to the downside. So I went ahead and opened up this trade on SPY, right? And I made this $18,000 on SPY. I didn't just buy SPY to go to the upside. No, you can make money as companies go to the downside. So guys, this is the power of trading. It is recession proof. If the market goes up, you buy calls. If the market drops, you buy puts. So we've seen the reddest day of the year in the market, right? So what do you feel like we did in our chat all day on Friday? Because y'all know every single day of the week, we do live trading. We share our screen. It's a voice call. If you comment 2025, you'll be able to tap in. But we actually share what we do every single day. So on Friday, I called out to buy some puts on Tesla, right? I even told everybody in my chat to buy more puts on Tesla, right? At 9 o'clock in the morning. So if you go here to Tesla and you see what happened on Tesla at 9 o'clock in the morning on Tesla, what happened? This thing literally dropped all day long. Guys, these puts ran for over 700% on Tesla. I did sell early. I ain't gonna lie, I felt like a little bitch. My friends, y'all, but I was so fucking mad. Yo, let me tell you why I sell early, right? If you are in guys, somebody please write this down. If you are in a bearish market, there's only two things that you will be seeing. In a bearish market, the market is dropping. You will be seeing what we call as lower lows, lower highs. Lower lows, lower highs. Lower lows, lower highs, right? So Tesla had dropped in the morning, right? We created a lower low right here. So when the market pulled back right here to my pre-market low area, right here, this line right there, I saw that we were actually collecting right here at pre-market lows and we were forming a lower high, right? So if the market can create lower lows and creates lower highs, if I enter a put trade at a lower high, I want to target this lower low exactly right here as my take profit, 1. So go back here on Tesla, guys, check me out. All right, so we entered puts right there and we targeted this lower low right there. So Tesla had a nice, nasty movement right there to the downside where I went ahead and took profit for about $2,400 here on Tesla. As you guys know, I'm not gonna sit here and blow smoke up your ass. I'm gonna show you real life proof that we actually do what we say. All right, I put about 10K into the trade. I took out 11.6K, right? So I made about in total, where everything ended up, I made about 2.1K on Tesla, something light, right? I'm not really satisfied. Could have made like literally 80. Look, guys, look how much the market dropped. I could have made about $80,000, but some people in my chat, someone said, what? Someone said, wait, pause. 80K? Nigga, people don't make 80K in a year. Fuck you talking about $80,000 in a day. Yo, the power of trading stocks is crazy. And when you buy put contracts, when the market's dropping, you can make life-changing money. So the question that I'm hearing every single day this past month is, Ryan, is the market dropping? Ryan, is the market crashing? Is it a recession? Should I sell my stocks? Should I sell my crypto? Let me tell you something. After you master technical analysis, you can make money regardless of where the market's going in price. So let's go ahead and break down what the market's doing on a higher time frame. Because as y'all able to see, even though I made money on Tesla on Friday, you look at that gains tab. Look at this. This shit gets nasty. Look at it. Look. This is crazy. Look, him right here, he made $845 on Tesla on Friday in one day with me on Tesla. He made $845 on the same trade, right? Him right here, he made $276 on Tesla in about 10, 15 minutes, right? The same day. He made $276, some light, right? Him right here, he made $185 on Tesla, some light. Him right here, he made $300 on Tesla, right? So you're seeing there's like a little bit of a pattern here, right? Him right here, how much did he make? Let's zoom in. He made $395 here on Tesla, right? So we don't just talk and blow smoke up your ass. Nah, the things that we talk about, we really go get that bag and go get that shit. And people who are in my chat, guys, are people who work normal 9-to-5 jobs. They're not quitting their job to trade. They're able to make a consistent stream of extra income on top of their 9-to-5 job. So if you have 1 to 2 hours every single day to simply hop on your phone or hop on your computer, you can literally make an extra $300 to $500 a day. Even look, check this out. He made $1,000 this same day, right? You can make thousands of dollars every day and then go into work. And then if your boss says, hey, go ahead and hop on the cashier register, you say, nah, you hop on the cashier register. You clean up today. You go ahead and clock in today. I already made my paycheck today before coming into work. You see what I'm saying? I got a choice now. And that's the power of trading. You don't have to quit your job. You can literally stack your job while you trade on the side, right? Most of my students in my program for my mentorship, they work full-time jobs. And because we live trade every single morning at 8:30, we trade for an hour or so at 8:30 to about 9:30 to about 10 o'clock. They make the money for the day, and then boom, they go back to their day, back to the gym, back to work. So 2025, you see the time is kind of like passing. Like people who are stacking up multiple streams of income, you're able to actually get through this economy. Because this economy is fucking crazy. Who agrees with me on that? Like who agrees with me like right now, the economy is fucking crazy. Like one paycheck every 2 weeks in this economy? Do y'all know how much the price of eggs has went up in price? Yo, I went to HEB trying to buy an 18 pack of eggs. Then people smack me on my head. I'm like, God damn. Like, I know I made 40K trading this month, but God, $9 for some eggs? He's out their damn mind. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, in this economy, guys, having multiple streams of income is the only possible way to make it through this tough economy where they're making us, having inflation, the prices of eggs is $20, and you know what I'm saying? So you see here on the YouTube live, people are agreeing, talking about some exactly. It's crazy, right? We're cooking. So I'm gonna say, guys, if y'all wanna make it through this day and age, you still have time, right? This year, even if you don't pay anybody for knowledge, right? Just go learn how to trade. Like, go learn how to trade. Like, this is my best, like I told y'all, this is probably one of my best, like, months of my career, but making 18,000 in a day was the highlight of my month so far. So I realized that it's bigger than just me right now. I got students making 5K a month, 10K a month, and it's like, it starts from there. After you build a consistent income stream and you're able to actually pay yourself, right? That's another thing, guys. Let's talk about it. Who wants to talk about it today? Y'all, let me know, man. Should I just go ahead and do the giveaway, or y'all want to talk about it today, man? Because I want to know who wants to actually talk about it today. Because I'm kind of fed up. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I'm gonna keep it 100 with y'all. I'm kind of fed up. I'm a little mad right now, and I'm gonna tell y'all why. There's a lot of people who claim to trade and claim to be this pro trader, but they're never pulling out withdrawals. How are you making money from trading, but you're not paying yourself from your trading account into your banking account? How? So I'm gonna show y'all something, right? I shouldn't really be showing y'all this stuff, right? But essentially, whenever I trade, every single week, I have something called Withdrawal Wednesday, where I pull out money from my trading account into my banking account. So while I was on vacation in the Dominican Republic, I actually pulled out a withdrawal of $15,000 from my trading account, as you can see, proof right there, into my banking account, right? And of course, y'all know me, I don't do no flagging, I don't do no fake screenshots, so I'm gonna show y'all my actual broker so you know me ain't capping, right? So I withdrew $15,000 here on the 13th of February, and this is just money I'm able to use to fund my own lifestyle. I am a full-time trader, right? So let's just keep going, because I don't want to spend too much time on this, right? But guys, just be very careful, guys. Like be very careful. There's like a lot of people who are trading gurus and trading this. They're giving this shit a bad name, like making me look bad, And I put a lot of time into my craft. And I show y'all this. I show you the real life of trading, because I know how many people are in the industry scamming, people who are frauds, people who are acting like they're the fucking Wolf of Wall Street, and you can't show me one withdrawal proof. You're showing me screenshots all day of your quote unquote trading gains. Nah, let's show some real. Let's show the people what it feels like to actually do what you're saying, right? And let me cool down. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I got to cut the fan on this. I got hot today. I'm about to get mad today, all right? Let's focus up. All right, cool. All right. Next thing's next, guys. Let's get into it, right? Before I get into these stocks right here, I actually want to do a quick intermission, and I want to go ahead and announce the giveaway winners. Let's do that. before I blow a brain fuse here today. All right, if y'all are ready for the giveaway winners, guys, y'all go ahead and smash the like button and go ahead and put some drum rolls in the chat. Y'all go ahead and put some drum rolls in the chat, guys. Matter of fact, guys, put some fires in the chat. If y'all are ready for this giveaway, guys, put some fires in the chat. Let me know. Let me know who's ready. I want to see who's ready, man. I want to see who's ready, man. Look, look at that. Look at that. YouTube Live is going crazy right now. Look, if y'all are ready, guys, put some fires in the chat. We got winners coming. Look at that. Yes, sir. Let's go. You ready? Let's go. Yep. So, guys, for the entry winners, we have One of One Juice, The Real Interstate Bella, Boogie, Off Guard Edgardo, 713 Mo, D1 Glass, Nostalgia, V Money, Yvonne Brian, Burberry Ace, Jordo, Ann, Remy, Nonye, El Chiquindo, Bruce, Daniel, Willington, Chris Sullivan, Cy MVP, and we got High Emeran. Y'all ready? We ready, YouTube? Yes, sir. Let's get it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Who's it gonna be? Ooh, Mr. 713 Mo. 713 Mo, go ahead and DM me your Cash App tag ASAP. You got about, wait, how much time you got? He got about 1 hour. You got 1 hour to send me your Cash App tag. We got some money waiting for you right now. All right, let me go ahead and put on this intense music real quick. Let's go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Y'all ready for the next one? Y'all ready? Y'all ready? So 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Oh shit. Who's it gonna be? Ooh, Mr. Pimp Daddy Jordo in the chat. Pimp Daddy Jordo in the chat. So guys, so far we have 2 winners to the giveaway. Cash App winners are being sent. So Pimp Daddy Jordo, please go ahead and DM me your Cash App right now to my Instagram right now. Let me send this bread while we're on live stream so people know that we ain't doing no fucking Instagram giveaway. You know people doing the giveaways? They ain't never paying on nothing. Nah. So guys, winner number 1 and winner number 2 is Jordo and 713 Mo, right? We have 1 more final winner that we will be choosing for the giveaway, right? If y'all want to get into the giveaway and y'all missed the entry to get in and you still want to go ahead and get in ASAP, I'm going to choose the very, very last winner at the very, very end of this live stream. So far, we have $100, $100 given to the winner so far today. So if y'all want to get into the giveaway, guys, it's very, very simple. Go to my Instagram and then repost this video right there in your story and tag me. It's a video of us, doing the in-person workshop with the team. We did like a whole entire program. It was a good time, right? So I'm going to pick the very, very last winner for the giveaway in 1 second, right? Let's go ahead and cover the rest of the stock class, and we'll cover the very, very last winner directly after this breakdown, right? So cool, guys. Let's go ahead and take a look here at QQQ. This right here is the stock watch list of the day. This is the stock of the day. Someone said, Ryan, how do I enter the giveaway? Let me show you. So if y'all have an Instagram account, it's very, very, very simple. Go over to my Instagram right now, go to my profile, and then go ahead and scroll to this post right here, and go ahead and post this post right here to your story, and then tag me. After you tag me, DM me your Cash App tag ASAP so I can pay you out while we're on this live stream right now. All right, post right there. All right, let's go again back into the stocks. All right, boom. So here on QQQ, guys, what do I see here on QQQ in a high time frame? So what you can see, guys, is right here on QQQ, this right here is our all-time highs here on QQQ, right? This is the highest point on QQQ, right? So essentially, this past week, we've seen a movement right above the all-time high here, which is this red line. This red line right here is my all-time high here of QQQ, right? So we made a really strong movement above this area on the Qs. So after that happened, what do we see? We've seen a ton of chop and a ton of consolidation right here above this high here on QQQ. So now, what does that mean for investors? That means that buyers and sellers were basically having a conflict and having a battle right here above all-time highs here on QQQ. And eventually, the sellers did come through with a first Primero breakout right here to the downside, right? This movement right here, guys, created a lower low here on the stock. After that happened, the market then created a retest back to the same area at all-time highs. And this is exactly where on Friday, the whole entire market decided to crush and crack to the downside. Now, guys, why is this right here important on QQQ? Well, why it's important is because we created a lower low right here on the Qs, and then we pull back to this area again, right? After that happened, guys, what happened? We created a stronger pullback to the upside right there, and then we broke through the previous day low of day right there, and we also broke below our pre-market lows, which are sitting right here on QQQ. That made the stock tumble and crashed for the rest of the day on Friday. And this is why y'all saw the whole entire market actually make a crash exactly like this, because QQQ had a break and retest of all-time highs. All right, so this is why the stock market crashed tremendously on Friday. And there's a few things I'm looking at this week as a result of this market crash. And let me show y'all. So stock number one, guys, this is time to write this down. Y'all ready? Y'all go ahead and put a 1 in the chat if y'all are ready to go ahead and put this game down. Put a 1 in the chat if you're ready to get down this game. So-and-so, I just posted to my story, add me to the giveaway. Hey, look, I'm gonna add every single person to the giveaway at the very, very end of this live stream. So far, we have $100 in giveaway winners so far. I have one more winner today. I'm picking at the very end of this live stream in about 15 minutes, all right? Let's get it. I said, boom, guys. First and foremost, QQQ. What can we look at here on QQQ? So as you guys can go ahead and see right now, on a high time frame on QQQ, even though we had a strong, super strong drop this past Friday here on QQQ, what do y'all see here? Before I say one word, what do you guys see right here on QQQ here in the high time frame? Y'all, like, let me know below in the comments on YouTube, and let me know in the comments here on Instagram. Because I can give away money all day. Like, that's not the issue. I want to teach you guys how to actually fish. So before I can show you, before I can actually show you how to actually fish, I got to see what you know. Because sometimes you got to kind of unlearn some things to relearn new things, especially when you're dealing with like the wrong type of mentors and shit like that, right? It's pretty common, all right? I see bullish, I see downtrend. Okay. Look, let's go get right to the cut. So here on QQQ, guys, this right here is a resistance that we were making on QQQ on a high time frame, right? Now we finally had a breakout right here of this area of interest right here on this neckline here on QQQ, right? Creating a breakout now above this red line over to our all-time highs. And at all-time highs, we did see a change of character. And if you know what a change of character is, y'all let me know into the comments below. Let me know if you know what a change of character is in the stock market world or in the trading world. If you don't know, let me show you. A change of character is simply showing that, let's say if a market is in a downtrend, right? Seeing lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, boom. The next candlestick actually sees a higher high. So now the candlestick basically made a high above the previous lower high, thus it created a higher high. So now when the market creates a pullback and then creates this low right here, because we created a change of character right here on the market, creating a higher high above the lower high, now we've changed characters from being in a bearish market to the downside to now being in a bullish market now to the upside. So when the stock does create this change of character, let me tell you what to actually do. You want to actually let the market create this change of character right there. After it does that, wait for the market to create a pullback right here to this area. And why do we do that? Because you want to be greedy when people are fearful and be fearful when people are greedy. So again, you want to be greedy when people are fearful and fearful when people are greedy. So imagine, right? We're in a downtrend. We're seeing lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. Boom, right here, we created a change of character. Now everybody is going to the upside, right? So people who are dumb are buying their calls up here. The smart investor, we're waiting for a pullback, like a fake out, and we're buying our calls right here at the previous lower low. And then we're going to target on getting above this previous higher high that was created so we can establish our overall bullish uptrend. Put a 1 in the chat, guys, if that right there made sense for y'all to understand. Put a 1 right there if that was easy to understand. So with that being said, guys, we actually broke back below this neckline exactly right here on QQQ, which was holding up the overall uptrend. So essentially, guys, we have created a new lower low right here on QQQ on a high time frame. And essentially, we could be now heading down a little bit lower this week, in my opinion. And which area of interest do you guys think that I want to wait for Qs to pull back to buy some more positions to the downside? Yo, let me know below in the comment section if you actually know. Let me know. And look, everybody here is commenting ones. Commenting ones. Everybody here is learning. Everybody here on my YouTube here is learning some free game. Good stuff, y'all. I love to see it. Yep, I see your right answer. I'm gonna personally be waiting. Let me show y'all like a little hack. Do y'all want me to show y'all like a little hack? Should I show y'all like a little song? Let me know. Should I show y'all like a little secret, like a little game for my program for the mentorship? Y'all let me know. Because if you're here on YouTube Live, go ahead and hit the little link right there into the description. You can tap in with us and actually remember, see how I'm giving y'all a free game? You could learn you could learn the real deal game of trading, and I teach this in my program. But I might give y'all some free game today. I'm feeling generous today. I'm up a little 40K this month. You know what I'm saying? The lights are on and shit. Oh, y'all need to take away my mic, bro. I'll be out here having a good time. All right, for real, let's lock in. All right, let me show y'all something. So let me show y'all how to use the tool of Fibonacci retracement. So this tool, guys, someone write this down. This is a very, very powerful trading tool to use. The Fibonacci retracement tool. So how does it work? You want to click right there on TradingView, click exactly right there for the Fib tool of retracement, and go ahead and locate the swing lows and the swing highs. So what is a swing low? What is a swing high? So as you can see right here, a swing movement is simply going to be a short-term or mid-term stock movement to the upside and downside. So for my swing low on QQQ, that's exactly going to be right here. And my swing high is the highest point here on QQQ, which is exactly right up here, right there. So now what is the most important thing to actually recognize with the tool of Fibonacci? So you have two different areas, which is going to be called your golden pocket. Somebody please write this down. Your golden pocket is between this area right here, 0.786 on the tool of Fibonacci, and between 0.618. That's the first golden pocket. The second one is between 0.382 and 0.216. These are your two different golden pocket areas, and I put these settings for my students inside my program for the mentorship. So if you want to get inside of that and you're on Instagram Live, just comment 2025 and I'll forward you a link to get started. All right. But now, how are we going to use this tool to our advantage? That's the big question that everybody wants to know, right? Well, let's actually configure what's happening on the stock on a bigger perspective. So the price did pull back to this golden pocket today, where we're seeing a little bit of some resistance here on QQQ. However, guys, the thing about it is, what goes up must come down. What goes down must go up. So we had a crazy drop in the market where we created a new lower low, right? But for the market to remain bearish to the downside, it has to create another lower high. The only way for the market to go more to the downside is it has to have short-term moves and bounces back to the upside to go ahead and grab some liquidity, which means that we're going to be basically getting people trapped in a buying position. So imagine that you are seeing the market go to the downside, right? Imagine that. The market's crashing. Imagine that you buy some calls right here, right? If the price goes back up in price like that, you're making some money, obviously, right? But now what happens if when the price is right here, you don't sell your trade and the market goes back to the downside? What happens next? Well, your position is going to now be sitting here in the negatives as it's dropping to the downside. So when positions lose value and when positions are created, guys, that's called liquidity, right? So this golden box right here that was drawn on my screen was the previous neckline here on QQQ. Now, me personally, I know how to trade, and the Fibonacci tool of retracement is a very, very, very powerful tool, guys. Very, very powerful tool. That being said, I will be looking for a fair value gap on a high time frame to have a retracement here on QQQ to buy some more puts to the downside. Now, what is a fair value gap and how can I find it? Well, you gotta look at my YouTube. You gotta look at my Instagram. I put a free video to, you can actually learn the strategy. Like, I make money trading, so I don't really need to gatehold what I do. But a fair value gap is essentially a 3 candle sequence, and it's drawn exactly from right there to right there. And, if you know how to draw one, you know how to draw one. It's not really too hard. You just find an expansive candlestick with the top wick right there and the bottom wick right there. It is a space between the wick right there and the wick right there for my fair value gap. So you just draw right there. This is a fair value gap, right? Very, very simple, right? Now, what's good about this gap is, guys, this fair value gap exactly right here on the QQQ is also aligning with the neckline right here of the previous order block that was holding the market below this zone right here. Now, what is an order block? It's simply going to be the last candlestick in the market direction before the market moved to the opposite direction. So basically, this area right here is my whole order block area zone. Now, this order block does align perfectly with this fair value gap right there, and it also aligns with my bias of me wanting the market to actually go to the upside first and then also go to the downside. So that being said, guys, long story short, I'll be watching this area right here at about 5:30 on the money. So 5:30, 5:30, this area right here to buy puts here on QQQ and take the stock here to the downside. And why should you kind of listen to me about my advice? Well, not only did I make 40K this month trading, but the students that I'm mentoring, I'm teaching them how to become independent traders so they're able to trade by themselves and for themselves. And as a result, him right here, he made $1,000 on Friday. He made 76, he made 845, he made 270, and we literally trade live with our students every single day, and people are literally changing their lives from knowing how to trade with the community. Even on the 20th, I made about $5,000 trading on BABA. I bought this swing trade for earnings. So in my chat, we actually call out swing trades also into our trading community. What's a swing trade? It is called mailbox money. What the fuck is Brian? What the fuck is mailbox money? Talk to me in a language so I can understand. Let me show you some. So basically, I will call out a play that you can actually invest into. I will tell you how much the play costs. I will tell you what the trading is called, and I'll tell you why I'm buying the position. So I told my chat to buy some calls on BABA, which the company is called Alibaba. How many of y'all know what BABA means, like Alibaba? Can you put a 1 in the chat, guys, if you guys know what company Alibaba is? Like, put a 1 in the chat if you know what Alibaba does, or AliExpress, right? Basically, guys, this company did have earnings, and with that being said, the company went crazy up in price. So I knew that this was going to happen. So what I went ahead and did was I posted in my chat to go ahead and buy some calls, as you can see right here on BABA, right? So when I bought these calls on BABA, do y'all want to know what happened? The price went up crazily on BABA. And long story short, I put in about $2,000 on BABA, and I went home with a total profit of over $5,000 on BABA on this exact day. This is about literally 3 days ago, right? So I'm saying this to say, guys, like, not only do we teach you all how to actually trade for yourself, how to be self-sufficient, but I'll also probably spoon feed you plays that will make you a bag, literally on your own time. And if you think I'm capping too, this is no cap. Look at this. I made 4.3K on the 20th on Alibaba, and I only put in about $2,000 into this trade, and I went home with an overall profit of 4.3K. So I put in 2K, let me show you on YouTube Live. I put in 2K, and I left with a profit of 4.3K on this one singular trade, right? Now, students in my chat, they put in less than me, right? They put in less, and it's okay. You don't have to be like me, right? You don't have to be like me. Look, Joodles, look at this. It's crazy. She put in $200 into this play, $200. She made a profit of $1,200 on this trade. She put in $200 in this trade, and she went home with a profit of $1,200. Someone put a fucking W in the chat for me. Someone spam a W in the chat. Yo, she just paid off a portion of her rent with an investment of $200 by simply being in the right chat at the right time and putting in the right information, essentially pressing the right buttons on her phone at the right time, she made a $1,200 return on her investment being in the chat. That's just crazy. And that's just one person. She's one person, right? Well, literally one. Look. There's a lot more people. Look, Bella, she made 2.7K. Look, on Baba, what'd she do? She put how much? She put in 684 into this trade and took out 3.4K. Come on now. Come on. Look, him right here. Check this out. He made $1,100 on what company? Again, on Alibaba. 1,100 guys. This is literally just a few people in the chat, right? And I have nothing to sell y'all, like literally nothing to sell y'all. So y'all comment the word 2025 if you're here on IG Live. I'll put you on to what we do so you can make, even if it's 5K a month, that shit pays off, smoothly. And if you're here on YouTube Live, we're going crazy right now. Go ahead and look at the link into my description. I have a link for y'all right there to get started. And let's go ahead and get this giveaway concluded, guys, with the last giveaway here winner on the spin the wheel, because I have 2 more stock plays for you guys for today, but I'm going to get out the last little giveaway winner so y'all can go ahead and, get your little cash apps and get that shit rocking and rolling. You feel me? Because in this life, man, we don't got no time to waste no time. We ain't got no time to waste time, all right? Let me see who posted today's story so I can go ahead and put y'all on to the giveaway right now. Hey, if y'all posted this thing to your story, go ahead and tag me right now so I can add you over to my giveaway. All right, look, so we got this guy right here. Official J. All right, guys, y'all give me 1 second. I gotta add everybody right now for someone to come kill me. All right, so Official JB. All right. Let me add you right now. Like, literally, give me 2 seconds, guys. For right now, guys, go ahead and send this live out to 2 people and comment done. In the meantime, so I'm about to go ahead and put some little music on this thing, and we finna get this shit rocking. Let me do some little gunner. All right, little wanna. Okay. All right, let's go. Wall Street Bree. Wall Street Bree. Cardi Banji. Go. I just went the next time. Flag on the play. Hold on, flag on the play. Miss Jaylena. I seen that you post this story to your close friends. That ain't gonna do it today. I don't know if you got auntie, your mama, and your close friends, you got your cousin, your auntie. It ain't gonna work. You feel me? But hey, you know what? I add her, Jelena. It's cool. I'll add you. Y'all ready? Ready? Let's go. 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. Uh-oh. Ooh, snap. Mr. IX Daniel is the last winner of the giveaway. Let's go. Let's go. So guys, the 3 winners right now, guys, somebody please get them on the live stream. Tell them that they got to hop on this live stream and they got to post their Cash App. They got about 1 hour. We got Daniel. So we got IX Daniel, Daniel. We got 713 Mo. And then who's the last winner, guys? Who's the last winner? Who was the last winner, guys? Who was the winner? Oh, Jordo. In Jordo. Pimp Daddy Jordo. Winners of the giveaway. Congratulations for winning the giveaway, guys. Congrats. All right, let's go ahead and give you guys the next last place here of the day. Let's go ahead and get our day rocking and rolling. All right, so guys, the next play I have on Watch This, guys, for this week is going to be on Tesla, LLC. Y'all know Tesla has been paying us all week, but we are not done. Upon first glance, guys, what do y'all see here on Tesla that's being built? Can somebody tell me what do y'all see here that's being built here on Tesla? Someone tell me. What's being built right here on Tesla? What do y'all see right there? I'm going to show y'all. I see a head and shoulders pattern on Tesla. What does that mean? We have created what we call a head and shoulders. So we have a left shoulder right here, followed by a head, followed by a right shoulder, which continues to move to the downside, right? Now, that's called a bearish Tesla setup. So where is the head and where is the shoulder? Check me out. So right here on Tesla, You see right here that we've created a little bit of our head right here on Tesla, followed by a left shoulder right there, followed by a right shoulder right here on Tesla. So the only thing about it is, guys, notice how the last time that we created the head here on Tesla, we chopped a little bit before making the head, right? I mean the shoulder. So this time around, I feel like Tesla is trying to attack this point right here to head down lower on Tesla. So Tesla is trying to attack the zone right there at about 320 on Tesla, right? So what that means is, I think that for us to head lower on Tesla, we might actually have to head up a little bit again just to grab liquidity, guys. Check me out. Y'all stay with me. Y'all put a 1 in the chat if you're here staying with me. Because some people are getting confused right now, and I promise you, we can make trading simplified for even a third grader. Like, I have people who are 18 years old making 20K a month, full video proof and everything like that. And if y'all here on my YouTube live, guys, check out the rest of my old videos. Like, I posted some fire videos this past week. Y'all don't want to miss that. But basically, guys, I'm looking at Tesla to create a retest back to my fair value gap that was created right here from the droppage here on Friday. Now, why is that, guys? What goes up must go down. What goes down must go up. So if Tesla is in a bearish setup, as you guys know, we should be creating some lower highs and lower lows. So we created a lower low right here on Tesla on Friday. So I want us to basically create a pullback right here to my fair value gap and create a lower low right here on Tesla and continue my overall downtrend. So this here is on a high time frame. You want to always go down to a lower time frame if you are a day trader. So I recommend the 5-minute time frame, the 3-minute time frame, the 15-minute time frame, and then the 1-minute time frame for day traders. And I'm looking for a little bit of a pullback on Tesla, and I want to take Elon stock down to the graveyard. This company, guys, has been going to shit all year, but I feel like personally, guys, after we break about $311, I feel like people are going to start buying back on Tesla. So my goal, guys, is I want to see Tesla basically drop from right here, essentially down below this lower low right there, and target this area right here on Tesla. This is a pretty big prediction, guys, but I've been pretty right on Tesla so far the past 2 months. So I feel like we have a really good idea here on Tesla, and I'm going to be calling these plays out, obviously, into the chat for our students into our mentorship. All right, guys, the last play of the week, guys, y'all want to write this down right now, because this play might blow someone's fucking socks off. This is going to be a crazy ass play, and I don't think that everybody should take it, but if you know how to trade it and then you have experience, definitely look into this play, guys. So the play, guys, is on NVIDIA. So why is NVIDIA so important and so impactful? Let me show you why. That's the reason. So as you guys know, NVIDIA does report their earnings right now, right? They report their earnings here on Wednesday after the market closes on NVIDIA, right? NVIDIA is a super strong company that is a big AI I can't fucking talk today. It's a big AI stock and tech leader right now, right? So as you can see right here on finviz.com, right? When the whole entire market dropped and it went to shit on Friday, how did like the NVIDIA, like how did their sector do as well as far as the market? Check me out. You go right here to semiconductors. You see that NVIDIA ended up dropping over 4% on Friday, which is pretty fucking crazy, right? 4% drop on Friday. But going over here to the high time frame here on NVIDIA, what do you notice? This company has been on a bullish run since the start of February. It's been seeing nothing but upside for the whole entire month. So this day on Friday was simply a pullback on NVIDIA. Now, personally, guys, I think that NVIDIA has to pull back a little bit more before going to the upside. So I am predicting that NVIDIA will make a pullback, guys, to this area pretty close to 130. But we also have a lot of liquidity sitting right here on NVIDIA. And let me circle it for you guys. Have liquidity sitting right here on NVIDIA. Got liquidity sitting right here on NVIDIA, right? Two different areas of interest. So not only is this zone right there is a big area of liquidity for NVIDIA, but on top of that, guys, as you can see, I feel like this week we've been seeing a crazy run. And like the only thing about it is, guys, tech is everything right now. Let's pause for a second, right, guys? AI and tech is taking everyday people's jobs. Like it's actually crazy. Like most of y'all's jobs right now is not safe. Like let's keep it 100, right? So if a robot can come in here and replace you in the workspace, we can't look at that shit lightly. It's a fucking robot. Like you tell me a robot could take my job? Yes. So what can we do? If you can't beat them, you gotta join them. So companies that enhance and are backing AI tech, companies like NVIDIA, AMD, AI, these are all great companies. Now, NVIDIA has earnings here in about 3 days. Now, what do I predict here on NVIDIA? Well, the last earnings call, NVIDIA, they didn't have the best numbers. We keep it 100. But this go around, guys, this is a brand new year, and I personally feel like NVIDIA might continue that run to the upside. So with that being said, guys, somebody please write this down. Because also investors are looking for NVIDIA to go to the upside, before a stock can go directly over here to the upside, it must go down in price first, right? So before we can go up in price, we must go down in price first on NVIDIA. That being said, guys, I'm looking for NVIDIA to actually head a little bit lower this week. I'm targeting this area here at about 130 for NVIDIA, and I feel like we can actually crack this area. And why is that the case? Well, we have multiple fair value gaps being built. We actually have a gap right here on NVIDIA, stacked right there, and also right here in price. This is a double stack fair value gap here in NVIDIA, right? So with that being said, price typically wants to pull back to the zone right there. But before price can pull back, it kind of has to go up in price first. So on Monday, which is tomorrow, I want to see the stock basically go up a little bit here on NVIDIA, obviously. And then from here, I want to go and take this motherfucker down to the downside. And y'all mind my French. I've been going crazy trading this week, especially on buying puts. I made probably like the 40K I made this month. I'll literally probably say like 33K has been made on puts. I'll keep it 100 with y'all. I made about 7K, 5K on Baba calls and some other calls. You know, I made 2,000, but it's been a lot of money on puts. I'm just keep it 100 with y'all, right? Now, I ain't gonna tell y'all fluff, right? I'm gonna show what's happening. So the last stock play of the day, guys, I'm looking at some NVIDIA. So I want to see the company first make a move up to this like 138, 139 area. And I want us to take NVIDIA back down to the 130 zone. And I want you guys to actually remember these top 3 plays and write them down and let me know how you actually do trading this week into the stock market world. Because every single week, guys, I give you guys fantastic trading plays, and they typically are always calling out and always banging, right? So we covered QQQ, we covered NVIDIA, we covered Tesla. Let's take the last look here at SPY. Same thing, guys. SPY is at an area where we had a nice drop. I'm looking for SPY to create a little bit of a pullback, and I want to see SPY continue to hit down to the downside. And I'm targeting SPY at about 604.17. I'll tell you why later into my program. Obviously, I got some things on my screen here from my program, my mentorship. But as you guys know, a lot of y'all been asking me about the program, like how does the mentorship work? And kind of, if I'm a beginner, can it even work for me? So let me show you what actually goes down in the program so you can actually start making your own money by yourself. So if y'all are beginners, can y'all put like a 1 in the chat? If you're a beginner, guys, put a 1 in the chat. I want to see who's here as a beginner so I can actually see who's here has no type of trading experience. Because if you're a beginner, guys, my program for the mentorship is actually great for you. Because the very, very first week, which does literally begin on Tuesday, we focus on the beginner account setup and called the beginner's week. We're focusing on helping you guys create your trading account, getting your first step started, all the way to getting your first trades taken personally, right? And if you have zero experience with trading, guys, note down that you will have to focus on paper trading first. So you will have to focus on paper trading. That is trading with fake money first, so you're able to use the fake money to get the experience, learn the strategy, and then actually make real money later. So that's the first step, right? After that, guys, we then will focus on the intro into options, how to properly chart stocks, how to use TradingView, how to set up your charts, how to set up your actual trading plan. This is very, very important. After that, we're going into risk management, money management, anything like that. And then guys, the whole entire sequence, we're focusing on live trading. We're doing trading with you guys literally personally. Like every single day we share our screen and it's a live trading call for you guys, right? We keep it very, very simple. If I was a beginner, guys, with no trading experience, I would need someone to actually be there for me and literally tell me the trades that you're taking in real time, so I could basically copy and paste these plays, make money with you, and then over time actually learn how to trade for my own sake and my own self. So we do this as well into our chat. So as you can see, this here is the VIP side of our community chat, right? We post our plays every single day. I will also post my actual profit. So when I post, hey guys, I bought some puts here on Tesla, right? I bought some more. I will actually show you that I'm putting money into the trade. I put 10K into the same trade and I made a profit of about 3K. Not bad, but what I'm saying I'm doing, I'm really doing, right? And on top of that, guys, so obviously we have a gains tab, but we also have a loss tab. We have a loss section. Because guys, in trading, shit is not sweet. You're going to have wins and you're going to have losses. Let's keep it 100. If anybody's trying to tell you, hey, I take no losses, run for your damn life. Because in our chat, we'll show you guys our losing trades and we'll show you our winning trades, right? So on the 20th, I lost like 1.8K on QQQ. It was okay. I basically broke a rule and it happened. It happens to the best of us, right? I'm going to keep it 100. Nobody here is perfect. I'm not a saint. We take losses sometimes too, right? So I lost about 1.8K on the 20th. But the best part about that loss that I took, I actually was able to take a learning lesson from that loss. Because that same day, I made about 5K on BABA. So I gave back some of my profit. So I still made money for the day, but I always share the light in the real of trading that you will have wins and you will have losses. The main concern is, guys, make sure that your winning trades always outweigh your losing trades so you're able to stay profitable month over month. So I've taken 2 losses this whole month so far, right? And I'm still up right now about $38,000 this month. It is my biggest trading month so far in my career. But I want to tell you guys, man, if you're on this journey right now, you need someone to be there for you and actually give you guys real tangible game so you can actually become a personal, independent trader literally for yourself. Because I call out fantastic trades, amazing trades you can actually copy. But my goal from me to you, I want you to be able to learn how to trade for yourself and for yourself. So if you're on vacation, you're at the beach, you at the coffee club, you at dinner, you at a picnic with your girl, fuck it. You in the movies or you in bed. You can open up your charts and actually learn how to use the TradingView and use your Webull account to make a profit every single month, right? And that's my whole goal for you guys as far as into our program. So if you're here on my IG Live, comment the word 2025 to get in, 2025 to tap in. And if you're here on YouTube Live, tap the link into my description. This has been a very, very great Stock Sunday class. And then we live right now on YouTube. Look at this. We live here with 30, 40 people here on YouTube Live going crazy, right? Going crazy. And I really appreciate you guys for tapping into today's class. All of the top 3 winners for the giveaway, guys. We have 3 winners right now, guys. Do not forget his names. These are important names. We got 713 Mo. We got Pimp Daddy Jordo. And we got IX Daniel. Y'all DM me your Cash App tags immediately so I can go ahead and pay y'all out right now. Let me see if I can get the tags right now from y'all so I can go ahead and pay y'all out while we're here on this IG Live. Look, right here, see he sent me his Cash App tag right there. Let me go ahead and bless my brother with a little $50 Cash App tag real quick for y'all on live so y'all know we ain't capping no bullshit. All right. This is his Cash App right there. Go ahead and press send for him. J-Mo. That's the first winner right there. All right, I'm gonna confirm. Boom, boom. All right, YouTube Live. That's your first winner. Let me show y'all. That's the first winner here on IG Live. Completed for the Cash App. Look, this is the first winner right there for the Cash App winner. All right, now we have 2 more winners. We have IX Daniel, and we got Pimp Daddy Jordo. So boom, tell him we got the money sent for him right quick. Boom, boom, boom. All right. Now the next winner of the giveaway, we got Pimp Daddy Jordo. Let me see if he sent me his tag, and let's go ahead and bless him while we're on this live stream right now. All right. Let me see Cash App tag, and nah, I don't see it. I don't see it, my brother. Hey, someone go ahead and text Jordo that he got about 35 minutes to send me his tag. If not, I'm finna roll the giveaway again. Someone will win the giveaway today. Okay, Daniel. Daniel? Okay, no, he ain't supposed to be in his tag either. All right, guys. Somebody go ahead and text Daniel and Jordo. You got 30 minutes to send me your Cash App tag. I'm getting back on the IG Live and on the YouTube Live, and I'm running that giveaway one more time. Got 30 minutes. All right, but guys, for the meantime, guys, let me go ahead and answer some questions. I'm gonna take like 10 minutes, guys, or 5 minutes of Q&A. I'm gonna answer like 5 or so questions. I'm gonna try to get everybody paid out while we're here on this live stream. So in the meantime, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and answer a couple questions. You see here on YouTube Live, we're getting active. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. I'm gonna answer a few questions, and then we're gonna go ahead and have this class wrapped up for y'all today. Let me go ahead and check my IG comments too. I didn't check these comments today. What's up, Montoya? What's up, Chanel? How we doing? Best Sniper, appreciate it, man. Okay. What time do we trade? So we trade every single morning at 8:30 a.m. CST in the morning. Every single day, 8:30 a.m. CST. Writing a paper while back testing. He's writing a paper while he's actually he's trading. I made $700 because of you. Hey, appreciate it, man. Look, he made $700 because of me this week. $700 is, hey, it's some paper, $700 can probably pay some people's phone bill, maybe their car note, maybe a wine date, steak night, maybe. I don't know, maybe. Answer a few more of y'all's questions right quick. YouTube Live and IG Live. Okay, so he says, so hey bro, so I be seeing nice setups, but I'm always reluctant to get into the trade. I don't know why. How do you build your confidence? So the only way to build your confidence as a trader is you have to take trades and have it be on a real account. So what it is, to be confident too, bro, you have to have a proven trading model. So how do you find a trading model? You have to actually go ahead and find a proper model. So there's smart money concepts, there's supply and demand, there's ICT, whatever people call it, right? So to be confident, you gotta actually know what you're looking for, right? So personally, bro, if you're asking me the question, I would say to go ahead and actually review your past 10 trades, right? And figure out what's working for you and what isn't working, right? So if your typical trade strategy is a break and retest, or maybe let's say it's a breakout trade, or it's a liquidity sweep, continue to focus for those same exact setups and only take trades when you see that same exact trading setup pan out. If you don't see it, place no trade. If you see it, take a trade, manage your risk, and learn from it. After you begin seeing repetitious moves into your trading career and you're actually being confident into your trades, you will continue to always lock in, and when the time comes to take a trade, you will take it because you're confident. But if you're not taking what you want to see, you're going to keep on biting yourself in the tail, be like, man, what am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? So be confident, and you will definitely get to that bag. And also find somebody who has done what you want to go ahead and do, and then learn from them directly so you can actually skip the line and get to that bag. That's the easiest way to make this money from trading. Easiest way. Ryan's one of the GOATs right now. I appreciate it, man. Appreciate it, man. I try, I really I honestly undermine what I really do. Because I be laughing and joking with y'all on my Instagram, my TikTok, and my YouTube. But behind the scenes, guys, it's kind of crazy, man. God is really good, bro. Where I've come from, man, I used to work plenty jobs, like Steak and Shake, Taco Bell. I used to work at the fucking skating rink. I did over 1,500 orders between Uber Eats, DoorDash, and Favor, and Postmates, and shit like that, right? I drove miles. I did hours of driving Uber Eats, right? And I put all that money into trading. I lost a ton of it while I was learning, right? And I ended up coming back. I literally quit. I quit and I came back. I quit and I came back, right? And I realized that one thing that's consistent is if you actually read books and take in proper knowledge, you can make it in trading. You know how there's a statistic of 90% of people fail in trading. Well, Those people didn't even try to read books, get mentorship, and properly learn how to trade. So I'm 5 years into the game right now, and I made almost 40K this month right now of February. We're 2 months into the year, and I'm about to cross like one of my biggest milestones. We're just making 50K in a month. I don't know if I can do it. We got to see this week. But I say all this to say, guys, I've been 5 years into the game of trading. I've lost money. I lost like a lot of bread to be where I am today. And I'm just grateful, you know. Like, you know, now I'm living in a penthouse. You know, I'm 23 years old. And, you know, my next goal is to buy some real estate. So, like, I say as to say, guys, man, like, whatever season of life that you're in right now, know that your current season of your life, your current situation is not your final destination. The only way that you can see a testimony is you have to see a test. And I talk more about this concept actually on my video here on YouTube. So if you want to see like more about me, like less about trading, I mean, well, the video is about trading, but like, you know, I give you guys more light about myself and like why I think about things. I posted a whole entire video reaction of how I made about $20,000 in one day here on YouTube. And I kind of speak about my spiritual walk and my spiritual journey, like what it actually took to do this. And like, I want to tell you guys, man, if y'all are trading right now and you're looking for like someone who's actually authentic and gonna show you the real, the good and the bad, I will show you that I made $18,000 in a day, but I will also be realistic and tell you that you will not do this until you are consistently on your path and consistently being diligent into your trading work. So I'm not gonna sugarcoat nothing. I ain't gonna fluff it for you guys, man. I'm just keep it 100 with y'all. I want to see y'all win, but I don't want to give y'all a false promise. Like, yes, my students make about 5K, 3K, 5K a month. The great ones are making like 10K plus a month. But to do that, guys, you have to literally wake up, join the program, and apply yourself to the program. I can't even like stress this even enough. Like, we don't need anybody's money to join our programs. Or literally, you invest into yourself, because after you put money into something, you take it more serious. Like, before you invest, you have to always investigate, right? So it's like, for me, I declined so many people to get into our program because the only motive is to make money. Money is not everything. Freedom is what people are actually after. So I'm not gonna sit here and waste time on someone who wants to just have a get rich quick scheme or think this is a casino. Nah, this is a real life proper stream of income. And if you treat it that way, you can literally change your life forever. You know what I'm saying? All right. And you also asked me, how do you deal with paying taxes on your stock profit? Did you kind of, yeah, I would get a CPA. And also I would go this is a lot of game. I want to need to live. Well, I would say, guys, go and get an LLC. You can actually write off a lot of your gains, your capital gains taxes. You can even write off some losses if you have a losing year, right? And look into TTS status. I'm gonna say it one time. Look into TTS status, which is called the tax trader status. Basically, you are electing into your LLC that your primary source of income is trading. So when you have the tax trader status, you are taxed differently than the normal person who is just trading for income and trading for fun. So I'll look into that. But besides that, guys, love y'all, man. Hope you have a blessed day, a great end to this month. Go ahead and check out our past videos here on YouTube. And if this is your first time here on my YouTube videos, on my classes and everything, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, man. You know, I put out so much value on YouTube, a lot of free games. I want to see y'all win. And when I talk to y'all, I literally imagine myself talking to my previous self in the past when I was literally unprofitable. I was like kind of depressed in my life. I was kind of like looking for a way out. So I don't mind giving you guys extra game because I would have needed that shit back in the past. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the like button for us as well, turn on our post notifications, and then we'll see y'all next week. And if y'all get into the program, we'll see y'all tomorrow morning in live trading. You have a blessed day. We out of here, guys. Peace.